Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to delete YouTube channel permanently. For that, go to your browser and search for youtube.com. Once you are on YouTube, click on the three dots and request for desktop site. Then go to your profile and hit on YouTube Studio. There on the left corner of your screen, you can see setting icon. Click on the gear icon, wait for load and hit on channel. Then select for advanced settings. Scroll down, there you will see remove YouTube content. Hit on that. Now you have to enter your password. Once you have finished with it, then you will see I want to delete permanently. Hit on delete my content. Now your YouTube channel will be deleted permanently.